All right, what you got here is the Vitamix 5200 blender. This is a professional grade blender, not your everyday household item, but it is such a great blender. Smoothies, shakes, everything to do with fruit and vegetables that is healthy for you will fit in this blender, and it also has numerous attachments you can get for it later. This is a self-cleaning blender. It has a 64-ounce container, and it is black. It does come in various colors, so you might want a different style. Otherwise, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve a variety of textures. The dial can be rotated at any point during the blend, so you can go up and down in speed, and you are in complete control. You can do large batches. The size and shape of the self-cleaning 64-ounce container is ideal for blending medium to large batches. It also has a radial cooling fan and thermal protection, so you're not going to burn this out right away just by running it. Don't forget about hot soup. The blades in the Vitamix container reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat, bringing the cold ingredients to a steaming hot in about 6 minutes. So, check out that hot soup. Like I mentioned earlier, it is self-cleaning, so with the drop of some dish soap and some warm water in there, you can stick it right back on the base, and it will clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. If you're looking for an awesome professional grade blender, this might be a good choice.